Family, I am on the Carnival Glory for a 3-night cruise staying in an interior room. Let's go check it out. Starting at the front door, right away to the right of the door, you will see the switch that will put on the lights for the room. To the left of the door, you will find your first closet. In here, you will find your life vest, hangers, space for luggage, and more storage below. Coming further into the room, another closet. In here, additional life vests, more hangers, space for additional luggage as well, and more storage below. And this third and last closet, then shelving for many items as you desire, and bedding is at the bottom. This first door will be your bathroom. Right here is your thermostat, and these are the lights for the bathroom. Now there is a step right here, so be careful going into the bathroom, and right away you see that this bathroom has a shower curtain. It does not have a shower door. You will find your shampoo gel, your liquid soap in here. Here's your towels, a little mirror, an outlet in that corner for you to use, shelves, nice size counter, additional towels here, your toilet. Under here will be your wastebasket, standard size shower, standard size bathroom. Leaving out of here, coming into the main part of the room now, to the left, you'll find this mirror, this table, and here is, as you guessed it, your fridge. You see the bed here. At each side of the bed there is storage, as well as a lamp on each side of the bed. And on this lamp you'll see an area of outlet, as well as a USB area to charge your phone or whatever products you have. And at the top of the bed there is this light switch to be able to turn on the lights in the room. If you need to get up, go to the bathroom, and turn on the lights in the room. In front of the bed here is the TV, small TV, and here would be your safe. Nice size desk. You'll find your telephone, more outlets on top here, a stool, and a wastebasket. Drawers here for you to use, and this top drawer will find your hair dryer. So I'm going to go around once more so you can see it in its entirety. So what do you think about the room? I think it is a nice size room. It is an older ship, so you can see that the room may be a little dated, but for these 3 days, it will serve me well. Can you do me a favor, family? Can you like, comment, subscribe, click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts? It will greatly help my channel. And for those returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the way that you do. And until next time, happy travels.